Leaving your plants in full sun is absolute arson. Stop.
Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's scorched victim is our tough friend, Snakey the Sansevieria. He was found blistered and bleaching to death on a hot, unshaded, south-facing concrete apartment balcony. Imagine this. The owner thought, since he's a desert native, he could handle maximum desert heat waves. But under that scorching, unshaded exposure, poor Snakey was facing a deadly, remorseless, hidden outdoor assassin. I examined the weapon. Blinding UV rays were magnified through the window glass, roasting the plant alive.
Is your snake plant turning pale yellow? Drop a tootation in the comments right now.
Have you ever thought about this? Greenhouse-grown indoor plants have incredibly soft, sensitive green skin.
Sudden direct sun completely vaporizes the water inside the leaf cells, bleaching the green tissue forever. Without immediate protection, the radiation burns turn into permanent, crispy, white and dark brown scars. This structural damage breaks the leaf's water transport system, leaving the entire stalk completely hollow. I conducted a visual autopsy. The top half of Snakey's stalks were crispy, completely dead and bleached.
The official cause of death was avoided. We initiated an emergency tactical shadow rescue, but Snakey still had a strong pulse. We immediately moved him into total, healing shade.
Step 1. Amputation. I took sterilized pruning shears and cleanly sliced away the heavily scorched tips. Cut at a 45-degree angle to preserve the natural, pointed look of the snake plant's foliage. Step 2. Rehydration. I gave him a deep, thorough watering until liquid rushed from the bottom.
Step 3. Acclimatization. If you want your plants outdoors, use a 50% shade cloth mesh.
This simple shade shield blocks out the lethal UV rays while allowing safe, bright, indirect light through. Leave them under the shade cloth for 2 full weeks before exposing them to more morning sun. Step 4. The food. I added a weak dose of organic liquid seaweed fertilizer to boost cellular repair. This organic medicine helps the plant rebuild broken cell walls and stimulates brand new, shock-resistant root growth. Keep the plant completely out of hot afternoon sun rays between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Now, Snakey has a safe, shaded sanctuary where he can photosynthesize without cooking his internal tissues.
Never assume a desert plant can handle a heat wave without proper, step-by-step outdoor adaptation training.
The Sunburn Assassin case is officially closed. Snakey is tough, green, and thriving. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Stop the outdoor plant massacres and protect your jungle.